Hello students, in the last video we discussed about the keyboard shortcut keys of view. Here we can see different keyboard shortcut keys. These keyboard shortcut keys we discussed, some of them we discussed in the last lecture, and now we will start tools. So here you can see like the first tool, that is called move tool. So move tool, now we will discuss about this tool. So when we click on file and place embedded, and let me place any image like this image, press and hold alt. As I told you, we can resize the image proportionally, and when we have resized, now press enter and then move it anywhere. So with move tool we can move the layer, so that is called layer, and then file, place embedded, like this one also I will place, and see if I press and hold alt and resize the image, then press enter, now I can move it anywhere. So with move tool we can select the object, select the specific layer, and we can move anywhere. Okay, so in this video also I explain about this the options of the move tool. Like we can see, we can move here, we can move here. Here you can see show transform control, like if we want to resize this image in future, so the transform control, we can click here and transform control will appear, then press and hold alt, we can resize the image. You can see I can select any layer. If auto select is disabled here, so like right now this layer is selected, if I move this layer it will move, but if I move my mouse here on this car image, you can see this is not selecting and still the girl layer is moving. Why? Because in layers panel you can see the girl layer is selected. If I select this car layer, now I can move car layer, or even I can resize because show transform control is enabled. So what we can do for this thing, we can check this option auto select. So auto select option should check. Now you can select any object without selection of the layer from the layers panel, and you can easily move in your document any object, any layer. So that is called auto select and show transform control. I hope you have learned about the move tool in this video, and we will proceed our other tools like rectangular marquee tool in next video. Thank you very much for watching.